It's Monday morning and it's time to take the bike in for a service. This is its first service time. I'm really not going to be able to do this, take this cover off with only one hand. I think I'll have to put the camera down for that. So anyway, look, I'm just riding up to Motorholic and doing all the bits and pieces that are required to do the first service. I'll tell you how that goes. Anyway, come along and join me if you want. Catch you in a minute. Well, so here we are again. I had the Kawasaki Motorholic service center, and the bike's all in one piece. Now run the gauntlet of doing the whole service thing. See how I go with that one. I've got no translator with me today, of course. I'm sure I'll manage. It was booked in, but again, you know, do you really trust these things? This is Thailand. Anyway, it was a nice cruisy run this morning. I think just that time of the morning is really good because it's not too hot, and you know. Anyway, we'll see how things go from here. Well, the first potential hurdle I had to jump through was the booking registered. It looks like everything's okay there. The second hurdle was, you know, they asked for the service book. And again, so this is one of the weird things, like when I picked the bike up, I got all the paperwork, there was no service book given. I'm sure it's still down in the main shop, you know, they've just forgotten to give it to me. And again, I didn't raise any flags about that because I don't know the system over here. But they did ask for the service book when I came to the service centre, so obviously I'm supposed to get it. So I'm going to have to obviously check that one out. And get the guy who bought my key, he's going to take care of everything. See how we go. I'm going to go and check out the shop. Okay, so the shop doesn't open till 9:30, so it's just gone 9 o'clock. And again, the coffee shop doesn't open till 9:30 as well, but they said it should be open. Let's go and check it out. It might only be the instant coffee, but it's still a good thing first thing in the morning. And it's, yeah, so although the window says 9:30, at least the coffee shop opens at 9, so yeah, going to have a look in the shop there. One thing, I'm going to see if I can get that radiator protection grille. It's the next thing on my list, especially when you're out and down the road. I'm just worried about the, you know, the kicking up of the, you know, obviously the loose stones from the front wheel. It can happen, and they can damage the radiator core, which worries me. So getting that radiator protection is my first port of call. I noticed Pa came round the other day, or yesterday he came round. I can't get over this guy. Right, so he bought, you know, one of the two M-slats. Right, and he's now blinged that thing up. He's got little sort of brass sort of end points and bolt add-ons, and I think the latest little addition he's put on that bike is a new exhaust system. So it sounds like a hot rod. I really can't get over this stuff in Thailand. It really amazes me. But look, he's obviously having his second childhood on the M-slats, and all good for him. So I wish him all the best. But yeah, so that's of course my next addition after the radiator protector. Really going to start to put the pedal to the metal and sort of try to get this new exhaust system. Chanya's been sort of putting out some feelers. I've given her some pictures of what I'm looking for. It's just a matter of just trying to find the people that can do this sort of stuff. I know it can be done. Like, you know, many of these riders groups that I've joined on Facebook. I think 3 of them are Thailand based, and 2 of those 3 that I've joined and do talk about exhaust systems from time to time. So just again, it's all to do with, you know, waiting for the right people to see the right questions on those groups and respond accordingly, and then hopefully sort of getting Chanya to you know give a bit of a sort of a dig to try to sort of get somebody to actually sort of, you know, get out of their Thailand, you know, it'll be all right in the night sort of, you know, attitude, and actually sort of offer to help. But yeah, so this is one of those sort of things. Be nice to get a nice sort of, you know, a nice custom exhaust made for that. As I said, I'm not looking for something that's loud. I'm looking for something that's, you know, gives it a more of a, you know, more of a tone of, you know, this is a 650cc currently with the catalytic converter. It sounds like a Vespa. Well, in my mind, it sounds like a Vespa, and you know, it's just bad for its style. As long as I can get an exhaust system that can really sort of match the look of the bike, I'll be really happy. Anyway, I'm going to drink my coffee, and then hopefully the shop will be open by then. Well, that's the first service done, and to all those people.
Hello, liquid wallet.
Oh, you want me to hold this one like this?
Okay. Thank you.
I don't know, I just want to take photos with the foot home. But yeah, they recommended this particular brand of oil here. This has got a running a promotion. Yeah, so all those people in the States and America, in Australia, sorry for the bouncing around there. That's my first service. It came to 1,047 baht, which is in Australian dollars, it's about 50 bucks. You've got to love Thailand, seriously. Anyway, so we're on our way back. Again, just a short video. I did go in to ask them about the radiator grill, and they just don't stock it. I don't know why. Again, there's 4 or 5 different dealerships here, and it is an aftermarket thing. It's not something that Kawasaki make. They've said to get it off Lazada, so I'm going to obviously get Chanya to deal with that one. That's one of those sort of things. So there's a few things we need beginning, the radiator grill, the exhaust, the intercom systems. We'll keep you posted on those things. So I got a few comments about the unboxing video. I probably won't do that style of thing again. What I'll do it more as just a sort of impromptu discussion, and show you the stuff, because personally, it's just not my channel really. I know a few people were interested in it, and as I said, I'd give the guy a shout out, help promote his business there. He took care of me pretty good. So anyway, we're going to hit the road, and we'll catch up with you next video. Bye for now.